Hello everyone, I am Alpian and today we are going to solve the simple array sum of the Hackerrank interview preparation challenge. So in this second task, we are tasked to solve the simple array. The description already said complete the simple array sum function with the following parameters, and this is the return that already described here, and the input format, and the constraint, and the sample input. This is kind of complicated standard input format, and for the sample output is just a standard input of 31 as the result using a simple console log. But in this case, the boilerplate code already defined the standard input, how to handle the standard input format, and then we already provided with the dedicated function here that is already provided by the Hackerrank. Okay, so without further ado, let's run the code to see if the output is accepting anything. We are tasked to solve the array, the sum of an array. So let's say for the element inside the array will be calculated, and then the result is the integer. There is a JavaScript function that is dedicated to solve this kind of problem, which is called GS reduce, and it's considered a reducer function. If we look it up here, this is the one that we needed. Let's say there is a array 1 and then the initial value as 0, and then the sum with initial, and this is using the array 1 and then using the reduce function. This is the accumulator and the current value as the second parameter, and then the accumulator will be added with the current value, and this is the initial value that is already declared here as 0. So let's say the accumulator is the first element, which is 1, and the initial value is 0, and then 0 will be added by 1, and then will be added with the current value from the array iteration, which is 2, and then will be added, and so on and so forth. And then let's run this to see the result. Okay, let's practice it right away with the arrow function. We are using the direct return because the function expected an integer output. So let's just return array parameter, and then using the reduce, and then inside the brackets we are adding two parameters, which is the accumulator and the current value as the second parameter. And then with the arrow function, let's just directly return the value, which is the accumulator plus current, and 0 is the initial value. So we are calculating from the 0 as the starting point. Let's just run this code to see if it's work. Okay, it looks like it works flawlessly. Let's submit this. This is taking some time. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you understand this video, and I will see you on the next one.